My name's Adil and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video we're focusing on this Audi A5 that we've equipped with loads of features that really enhance that driving experience. We've integrated a front camera into the factory screen, but not only that, we've integrated in wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as the fact we've actually made the factory screen completely touchscreen as well. So I'm going to be walking through the whole install, but also showing you all the features and how the system works, and also going through everything in a lot more detail in today's video. I hope you enjoy. So as you can see here, the dashboard and the screen is obviously, you can't change the radio in the car, but these new integration kits allow us to be able to add really a lot of features going into this factory screen. So as you guys know, if you own one of these cars and looking into this system, this screen here is not touchscreen before, and obviously the car currently looks as it is. All I'm going to do is either press and hold the mode button or the navigation button. So I'm going to click that, and just look at that, guys. Apple CarPlay. This obviously works with Android as well, and the best thing about this system, completely wireless. So straight from my phone I can go directly and have everything I could possibly need live on the screen. Plus, yes, it is completely touchscreen as well as we still retain the joystick to basically control everything. So we've now got music integration, we've also got all our maps, WAZE, Google Maps, Apple Maps, phone call integration as well. So I've got all my recent calls, and literally everything is all here. So everything you could possibly think of needing while driving, all in one place. Retaining factory volume controls and controls on the steering wheel to actually navigate the system, which is really nice as well. The fact that we've actually managed to do this is actually really cool, and we do these a lot now on plenty of different vehicles. So we added functionality into a factory screen, but also added this touchscreen overlay that allows that screen to just give that extra little feature if you're driving along or a passenger wants to touch the screen and just scroll along, and you've got the ease of being able to do that, as well as obviously being able to control it by the factory control knob down at the bottom. As soon as you press nav, it comes out of the system and it goes back to obviously the dated factory navigation system, as well as the fact you've still got all of your menu screen like you did before. So you've not lost any of your car settings or infotainment or info here that you had previously, and you still got all of the adjustments as you did, but one click of the nav button and away you go. Fully wireless, Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. One really nice feature that we've also added for our client is this, this is the factory reversing camera, and as soon as we go into drive, it loads up an image of a front parking camera. So we've actually added in front parking camera on the vehicle, and if your vehicle doesn't come equipped with a rear camera, we can also add that in as well, and it's on a little timer and it goes back to that beautiful Apple CarPlay screen. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it and seen all of those benefits of adding a solution like this onto this particular car. If you're interested in something similar, you know exactly what to do. All of our details is in the description below, and it really helps us out if you could like today's video, share it with a friend or family, but also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future content from us. But thank you again so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.